fathers of various fields in India. Who is known as the father of the nation? The answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Who is referred to as the father of the Constitution of India? The answer, B.R. Ambedkar. Who is regarded as the father of modern India? The answer, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who is called the father of linguistic democracy? The answer, Potti Sriramullu. Who is known as the father of Hindutva? The answer, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Who is the father of modern economics? The answer, Mahadev Govind Ranade. Who is the father of India's nuclear program? The answer, Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Who is regarded as the father of Indian space program? The answer, Vikram Sarabhai. Who is known as the father of the Indian missile program? The answer, APJ Abdul Kalam. Who is considered the father of Indian comic books? The answer, Anant Pai. Who is regarded as the father of geography in India? The answer, James Rennell. Who is called the father of Indian cinema? The answer, Dada Saheb Phalke. Who is known as the father of the peasant movement in India? The answer, N.G. Ranga. Who is the father of hybrid sorghum in India? The answer, Neelam Raju Ganga Prasad Rao. Who is regarded as the father of paleobotany in India? The answer, Birbal Sahni. Who is called the father of the Blue Revolution in India? The answer, Dr. Arun Krishnan and Hiralal Chaudhary. Who is considered the father of the Green Revolution in India? The answer, M.S. Swaminathan. Who is the political father of the Green Revolution in India? The answer, Chidambaram Subramaniam. Who is the father of the Wheat Revolution in India? The answer, Dilbag Singh Athwal. Who is regarded as the father of the White Revolution in India? The answer, Varghese Kurian. Who is called the father of veterinary science in India? The answer, Shalihotra. Who is regarded as the father of civil aviation in India? The answer, J.R.D. Tata. Who is considered the father of the Indian Air Force? The answer, Subrato Mukherjee. Who is known as the father of the Indian Navy? The answer, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Who is the father of civil engineering in India? The answer, Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. Who is regarded as the father of surgery in India? The answer, Sushruta. Who is known as the father of the Pink Revolution in India? The answer, Durgesh Patel. Who is considered the mother of the Silver Revolution in India? The answer, Indira Gandhi. Who is called the father of the gold revolution in India? The answer, Nirpakh Tutaj. Who is known as the father of the yellow revolution in India? The answer, Sam Pitroda. Who is regarded as the father of the red revolution in India? The answer, Vishal Tiwari. Who is considered the father of the Indian seeds industry? The answer, B.R. Barwale. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel GK Sprint if you are interested in watching more such videos.